What is going on? We are back with another full day eating video where I show you how to be a lean machine, baby. Whether you're trying to lose weight or put on muscle, it is all the same. Just scale the meals up if you're trying to put on muscle, scale the meals down if you are trying to lose weight. All right? We are having some breakfast potatoes, sweet potatoes, and chickpeas in a Mexican style with cashew, cheese, and guac. So here, I already started digging into it. So here we are. Pretty straightforward. I'm gonna go ahead and devour this because I'm starving, and I'm doing some filming with my homie Chris. He's over here eating, chowing it down as well. So we'll see you for meal number 2. It's a busy day. I gotta get after it, just like you should be getting after it. No excuses. We'll see you here in a second. All right, we're closing the night out here. We have for dinner some mushroom shawarma. You'll see an overtop view right now. And this one is absolutely insane. You kind of see the texture in the little overshot view, but it's supposed to be like a chicken shawarma thing, but there's chickpeas and mushrooms and all type of fun. Missy Chrissy knows more than me, so let's hear what she has to say about it.
Yeah, so you already mentioned the mushrooms, the chickpeas. There's also some bell pepper and onion on there, some hummus, and then a homemade tzatziki sauce on top. Made from cashews.
Made from cashews. Really quick video today. We're rocking and rolling. We're doing this thing daily. We had a busy day. So yeah, we're closing it out here. This might be my shortest video of all time, but that's okay because you'll see me tomorrow with the traditional video. So we will see you tomorrow.